Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so I'm here with my TCL 10L, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Fortnite Season 2 Chapter 3. So this is the new update that has just gone live today. Okay, so this device, for some reason, it's unsupported. Fortnite cannot officially be downloaded from the Play Store. When I go to the Play Store, let's just focus and type it in Fortnite. The game is nowhere to be seen. And if I type it in on Google, Fortnite, Play Store, and hit install, your device isn't compatible with this version. And like I said, this device is more than capable of running Fortnite because it has the Snapdragon 665 processor and it has 6 gigabytes of RAM. So to actually get the game installed, what you need to do is you need to just type in Fortnite Android download, and go to Epic Games, this link here, and select get it on Epic Games app, and then download, hit OK. And the download has complete there, so just open it up, go into the settings, allow from this source, then go back and then hit install, and it should then say app installed. Open it up, and you will see Fortnite here. Select it and then hit install. Just turn down the brightness a bit here so you can all see. That's better. In fact, let me just let in a little light. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, so for your security, your phone is not allowed. So go back into the settings and once again just turn on allow from this source and then go back and hit install. I think I might be letting in a bit too much light. Okay, let's come around here. Okay, app installed. So let's open it up. Hit continue. This app was built for an older version of Android and may not work. Okay, so yes, find my account. Let's sign in with Epic Games. Okay, so I'm just gonna log into my Epic Games account. Okay, so it's logging me in there. Wow, so the download is, what's the size of this? 7 gigs, 7.9 gigabytes. So install, device not officially supported, install, don't go anywhere. You'll need to keep the Fortnite app open on your phone while it installs. Okay, I got it. TCL 10L Lite, guys. Okay, so I've got a fast internet connection, so it's updating quite speedily. Okay, so the download speed has slowed down again. So guys, I'll be back once it's almost finished downloading. Okay, so the download has almost finished. Come on, focus. Okay, so let's play. Come on, it's taking forever to load. Oh, here we go, here we go. I wonder if we can enable 60 FPS on this device. I'll have to go into the settings and check it out. Season 3 Battle Pass. Okay. Use dedicated buttons. Okay, we've got a new character here, I believe it is, Ocean. I think you start with her first on level 1. And then we've got this guy, Fade. And we've got I think this is an emote, I'm not sure. I'll have to check all this out. Sky Swimmers. Free V-Bucks. Got a bonus there. Oh, bonus umbrella. And we've got a weapon camo. Oh god, Shark Ride. I'm gonna love this. Okay, so wait a minute, let me I'm going to the settings. See what the FPS settings go up to. Oh damn. No 60 FPS unfortunately. 30 FPS. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a gameplay video shortly. I'll upload that on my channel. The reason I can't do it now is because I'm a little bit busy. I've got something to do real quick. But when I come back, so I'm gonna head on out somewhere. When I come back, I will do a gameplay video and test out the gameplay on this device. I'll turn up the settings, the graphical settings and all that good stuff and see how well this game runs on the TCL 10L budget device. Like I says, this device has the Snapdragon 665 processor and also 6 gigs of RAM. I'm just gonna wait though for this to finish downloading. I think this helps with the optimization of the game as well, so it runs better, you know. So yeah, I will be uploading a gameplay video later today. Be sure to check it out on my channel. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, please. Also share the video. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Doses.